Welcome to Brain Test.
The video topic is definition of chemistry and importance in daily life. What is chemistry? Study of matter and its changes. Why is chemistry important in daily life? It helps us understand the substances we use daily. How does chemistry help in medicine? Helps to create effective drugs and vaccines. Which chemical is a common antiseptic used in hospitals? Ethanol. What is the role of chemistry in agriculture? It helps to produce fertilizers and pesticides. Which fertilizer contains nitrogen? Urea. How does chemistry help in industry? Helps in manufacturing metals, plastics, and dyes. Which process is used to make soap? Neutralization reaction. What is the role of chemistry in environmental protection? It helps in developing eco-friendly materials and pollution control. Which compound cause ozone depletion? Chlorofluorocarbons. How does chemistry help in food industry? It develops preservatives, flavors, and food colors. Which chemical is used to purify water? Chlorine. What is green chemistry? Environment-friendly chemical production and use. How does chemistry help in textile industry? Produces synthetic fibers and dyes. How does chemistry contribute to the energy sector? By developing fuels, batteries, and solar cells. What is the importance of chemistry in cosmetics? It helps make perfumes, soaps, and skincare products. How is chemistry useful in cleaning? It helps make detergents and disinfectants. How does chemistry help in construction? Produces cement, paints, and glass. What is the role of chemistry in transportation? Produces fuels, lubricants, and alloys for vehicles. Overall, why is chemistry essential in human life? It improves health, comfort, and technological development. How does chemistry help in the paper industry? Helps in producing bleaching and pulping chemicals. What is the importance of chemistry in photography? Used in development of photographic films and solutions. How does chemistry help in metallurgy? It helps in extracting and refining metals. Which gas is used in fire extinguishers? Carbon dioxide. How does chemistry help in communication technology? It helps make semiconductors and electronic materials. How is chemistry used in space science? It helps make rocket fuels and heat-resistant materials. How does chemistry help in forensic science? It helps analyze evidence like blood and fingerprints. What is the role of chemistry in the leather industry? It is used in tanning and dyeing leather. How does chemistry contribute to the perfume industry? It helps synthesizing aromatic compounds. What is the importance of chemistry in glass manufacturing? It helps make glass from silica and other compounds. How does chemistry help in plastic industry? It helps produce polymers and synthetic materials. What is the use of chemistry in paints and coatings? Helps make durable and colorful finishes. How does chemistry help in metallurgy? Helps to extract, purify, and alloy metals. How is chemistry important in weather modification? Helps develop cloud seeding chemicals. How does chemistry help in nanotechnology? Helps design materials at atomic and molecular levels. How is chemistry important in education? Provides foundation for scientific understanding. What role does chemistry play in clothing? Used in fabric softeners, dyes, and detergents. How does chemistry help in healthcare devices? Used to make surgical tools and diagnostic reagents. What is the role of chemistry in national development? Drives industrial growth and innovation. How does chemistry help in food science? By developing preservatives and flavors. How does chemistry improve transportation? Produces fuels, lubricants, and lightweight materials. What is the role of chemistry in cosmetics? Formulation of creams, perfumes, and hair products. How does chemistry help in construction? Produces cement, concrete, paints, and adhesives. How does chemistry aid renewable energy? Helps develop solar cells, batteries, and biofuels. What is the use of chemistry in textile care? Produces detergents and fabric softeners. How does chemistry contribute to public health? Helps in water purification, sanitation, and drug development. How does chemistry improve daily cleaning? Develops soaps, detergents, and disinfectants. How does chemistry help in metal industries? By refining ores and producing alloys. How is chemistry used in aerospace? Develops heat-resistant materials and fuels. What is the role of chemistry in plastic production? Synthesizes polymers for packaging and devices. How does chemistry contribute to environmental monitoring? Detects pollutants in air, water, and soil. How does chemistry help in personal healthcare devices? Produces diagnostic reagents and materials. How does chemistry assist in brewing and beverages? Helps in fermentation and quality control. What is the role of chemistry in energy storage? Develops batteries and supercapacitors. How does chemistry help in forensic investigations? Analyzes blood, DNA, and chemical residues. How does chemistry contribute to agriculture pest control? Produces safe pesticides and herbicides. How does chemistry impact modern technology? Enables development of electronics, robotics, and nanomaterials.
Thanks for watching video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more fun and exciting challenge.